All right, what's up, guys? I am going to show you how to create a tiny URL for your one pager that's in PowerPoint that was created. I had a little bit of issues with it, and I figured I'd share this out so that you guys maybe wouldn't struggle through it like I did. All right, so first thing that's going to happen, you're going to create it in the template, get it like you want it. You're going to click up here. It's going to say share. All right, and then what will happen is if you do not have this uploaded to like OneNote or anything like that, it'll say upload. You have to select that, and then you're going to copy the link. All right, you're going to go to tiny URL, and you're going to put yours in here. It's going to say make it tiny. All right, so then here's my new tiny URL. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to go to the email that Lambert sent us. This one that she sent today. You're going to go down to the bottom, and you're going to click on this link. That's going to open the magnets list right here, live on OneNote. I had issues inserting it into here. It wouldn't let me do it physically here. I don't know. It could be because I'm on a Mac. But when I come here, I click link, and then I could put, my tiny URL. I could put this, and then insert it. Oh, it's actually working now. So then it'll give me that actual link, okay? So that then when people click on it, open link, it should, in theory, take them right to my pages. Okay, so I hope that helps to get there. I had issues initially inserting it in here. I had to physically open it in the desktop app and then create insert hyperlink. I couldn't get it to do it here at first, but now it seems to be working that way. So if you cannot insert your tiny URL this way, by if you click open or add a link or whatever it is here, and it won't convert it to a hyperlink, try opening it at desktop app, insert it in there, and then when you close this and come back to it, it should physically be in there. All right, hope that helps. Holler if you need any help. All right, see ya.